Stack the deck. How to play. The object of the game is to score the most points over 10 rounds. Shuffle the deck and deal 5 cards to each player, number side up, which players line up in front of themselves. Place the remainder of the deck face down in the middle of the table, forming a draw deck. The player left of the dealer goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, draw 2 cards from the top of the deck. You may play none, 1, or both of the drawn cards onto your face-up cards in front of you. To play cards, you must complete a pair, which is 2 identical numbers, or a 3-card run, which is 3 cards in ascending or descending sequence. Runs are played overlapping downward. You may not change the sequence direction, wrap around from 1 to 10 or vice versa, insert a card at the top of the stack, nor rearrange cards between stacks. When you complete a pair or 3-card run, flip that stack over so the "Yay, this stack scores" shows. After first playing one of your 2 drawn cards on your stacks, you are allowed to steal another player's stack with the other card. To do so, you must complete either a run or pair on an opponent's stack. Add your card to their stack, then take it and flip it face down in front of you. You do not have to steal if you don't want to. Wilds represent any color and number. Wilds may not be used to steal other players' stacks, nor can you steal a stack that has a wild in it. If you draw a pair, you may immediately play them down in front of you and turn them over as an additional scoring stack. This is optional. You may split up the cards if there are higher scoring alternatives in your hand. If you are unable to play, or if you choose not to play one or both of your drawn cards, then you put them back into the deck wherever you want below the second from the top card. There is no discard pile. This is called stacking the deck. When you stack the deck with 2 cards, the cards can be kept together or separated. Once one player has flipped all their stacks, or if a player has all their stacks stolen, then the round ends and points are scored. The first player to go out is the first to tally their score, followed clockwise with the other players. You score 5 points for a pair, 10 points for a pair of the same color, 10 points for a run, and 20 points for a run of the same color. You lose 5 points for every unturned stack in front of you, and you also lose 20 points for every unturned wild. See the back of the box for a scoring reference guide. If you have no cards in front of you at the end of the round, then you score 0. Record your scores, gather up all the cards, and play another round. After 10 rounds, the game ends and the player with the most points wins.